Yes, good morning. We'll start in another 2 minutes. We'll start in another 2 minutes. Okay. So good morning. In our last class, we were discussing about reflection of light, and I have told you reflection at plane mirrors. See, a plane mirror always forms an image at a distance which is exactly equal to the object distance that we have discussed. Suppose if this is a plane mirror, and if an object say AB is placed in front of the mirror, this mirror is going to form the image of this object behind mirror. The image of object AB will be formed behind the mirror, and if the distance of the object, this is the object AB, this is the object. If the distance of the object from the mirror is U, the distance of the image from the mirror will be V. See, distance between mirror and the object. This is mirror. Distance between mirror and the object is called object distance. And the distance between mirror and the image is called as image distance. In case of plane mirror, object distance will always be equal to object distance will always be equal to image distance. Object distance will always be equal to image distance. U will always be equal to V. This is the first thing that is to be remembered with respect to plane mirror. Next, a plane mirror always forms virtual and erect images. A plane mirror forms virtual and erect image of the object placed in front of it. See, AB is the object placed in front of the mirror. The object, the image bandade. Image hagade antandre, image is virtual and erect. I have told you what is an virtual image. What is a virtual image? See, an image is always the point where reflected rays meet or appear to meet. Hagadru nodkobodu. Image is always a point where reflected rays actually meet or appear to meet. Reflected rays may meet at a point or reflected rays may appear to meet at a point. Eradu case agbodu. In some situations, reflected rays actually meet at a point. That becomes a real image. If reflected rays actually meet at a point, then that point will be the real image of the object. If the reflected rays appear to meet at a point, then that will be the virtual image of a object. Suppose this is an object, and let us suppose I want to construct the image of this section A. E arrowhead enadala, e arrowhead the image construction madbeku. I need to construct the image of this arrowhead. I have told you, in order to construct the image of any object, you need to consider at least 2 incident rays. Minimum 2 incident rays beke beku namage image construction madlikke. So what I do is, I'll consider the first incident ray to be along the normal. This is a ray of light incident on the mirror. At the point of incidence, this is point of incidence. At the point of incidence, we need to draw a normal. Normal andre perpendicular. ಈ ಮಿರರ್ಗೆ perpendicular ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. This is the perpendicular, right? So this is a ray of light incident along the normal. A ray of light which is incident along the normal, after reflection will just retrace its path. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಿರರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೀಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವ ದಾರಿನಾಗ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ದಾರಿನಾಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. A ray of light incident along the normal will just retrace its path. So this is our first reflected ray. This is our first reflected ray. I have told you, in order to construct image of any point, you need at least 2 incident rays and 2 reflected rays. So this first incident ray, this first reflected ray. Next nodri, I'll consider the second reflected ray here. Second incident ray here. A ray of light is incident at this point. A ray of light is incident at this point. At the point of incidence, draw a normal. This is normal at the point of incidence. We know what is the angle between incident ray and normal known as. Do you remember what is the angle between incident ray and normal? Angle between incident ray and the normal. Then Pada, what is the angle between incident ray and the normal? What is the angle between incident ray and the normal? Very good. Angle between incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence. According to laws of reflection, angle of incidence must be equal to angle of reflection. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ray of light ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಂಗಲ್ ನಾಗ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನಾಗೆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ this angle and this angle of incidence and angle of reflection must be equal. If the ray of light is incident at an angle of 30 degree with the normal, it should get reflected back at an angle of 30 degree with the normal. Now, what the observer sees is the reflected rays. Observer ಗೆ ಮಿರರ್ ಇಂದ, suppose if this is the mirror, ನಾನು ಮಿರರ್ ನಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. ಮಿರರ್ ಇಂದ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರೋದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇಸ್ ಇಂದನಾ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಇಂದನಾ? Image is seen because of incident rays or because of reflected rays? Image incident rays ಇಂದ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾವ, reflected rays ಇಂದ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದ ಇಮೇಜ್? Image is seen because of incident rays or because of reflected rays? Very good. Hagadre, this is our first reflected ray and this is our second reflected ray. For an observer, he knows only the rectilinear propagation of light. He knows only that light travels along straight line. Hagadre, ಈ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅವನು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಈ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇನ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. Similarly, this reflected ray will be produced backwards. both the reflected rays meet at this. See, the reflected rays appear to come from this point. Do they actually come from this point? I'll mark this point as say X. Do these two reflected rays actually come from point X? ಇವೆರಡು, ಇದು 1 ಮತ್ತೆ 2, ಇವೆರಡು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಂಗ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾವ? They actually come from that point or they appear to come from that point? See, these two reflected rays appear to come from this point. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಂಗ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾವ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವರ್ಗೆ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ the reflected rays appear to meet at a point. This point is called as virtual image. This is called as virtual image of point A. ಈ point A ಇದು virtual image. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು we write it as A dash. We write it as A dash. This will be B dash. So virtual image is a point where reflected rays appear to meet. Okay, virtual image ಯಾವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. If two or more reflected rays appear to meet at a point, then at that point there will be a formation of virtual image. If two reflected rays actually meet at a point, two reflected rays actually ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ರಿಯಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೀವು so a plane mirror forms virtual and erect image. We know what is meant by an erect image. Object ಹಾಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೋ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ there will be no inversion, right? There will be no inversion. Invert ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. So that is erect image. Try to answer me, can a plane mirror form inverted image? Can a plane mirror form inverted image? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ mirrors, they are plane mirrors. Can they form inverted image? Can they form inverted image? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Don't they form inverted image? Okay. ನಾವ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮಿರರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಮಿರರ್ ಹೀಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಿರರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಂದಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ವಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದ ಮಿರರ್, isn't it? ಮನೆಗಳೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಿರರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ವಾಲ್ಗೆ. ವಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮಿರರ್. Object and the mirror will be parallel to each other. Generally plane mirror na ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, you stand parallel to the mirror. ಆ ಮಿರರ್ ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಿರರ್ ಗೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ. You place a pen perpendicular to the mirror. ಹೀಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Place a pen perpendicular to the mirror. What kind of image do you observe? What kind of image do you observe? When you place a pen perpendicular to the mirror, what kind of the image of this pen do you observe in the mirror? Erect ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ. What kind of an image do you observe? So plane mirror is even capable of forming inverted images. Plane mirror inverted image nu formation ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. When the object is placed parallel to the mirror, the plane mirror is going to form erect image. ಈ object ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೋ image ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. When the object is held perpendicular to the mirror, the plane mirror is going to form the inverted image. Plane mirror is going to form the inverted image. Not really, that can be shown. That can be shown. Suppose this is a mirror. Suppose this is a mirror. Plane mirror anta anko. This is a plane mirror. This is the object. This is the object. We'll name this object as AB. ಈ ರೇನಿ ಸೀಸನ್ ನಾಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ನಿಂದಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ವಾಟರ್ ನಾಗೆ. ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ವಾಟರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ನಿಂದಿರ್ತೀವಿ, 2 ವೀಲರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್. ಆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ನೀರ್ನಾಗೆ? ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್? ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್? ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ವಾಟರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಮಿರರ್. ವಾಟರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಬಿಹೇವ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಮಿರರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಇಟ್, isn't it? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಂತ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರ್ನಾಗೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಈ ತಾಜ್ ಮಹಲ್ದು ಅದ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತೆಗ್ದಿರ್ತಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೀರ್ನಾಗ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ವಾಟರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ಗೆ ಆ ತಾಜ್ ಮಹಲ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು just photograph the image of the Taj Mahal in the water, you can see the inverted image. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. We can draw it geometrically. Image must always be drawn geometrically. ಹೇಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನನಗೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. Now this is mirror. To the mirror, the object is held perpendicular, isn't it? To the mirror, the object is held perpendicular. What kind of image do you observe, or what kind of image do you expect now? What kind of image do you expect? ಎಂತ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಈಗ? ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಡು ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಂತ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ, ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 2 ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗನ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇಸ್. ಇದೊಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇದೊಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. I've considered 2 incident rays. At the point of incidence, I have to draw a normal. Again, at this point of incidence, I have to draw a normal. Angle of incidence ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೋ angle of reflection ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಲೈಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ angle of incidence ಎಷ್ಟಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ angle ನಾಗ ಲೈಟ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ ಹಾಕಿ. For the observer, these 2 rays, notice this is reflected ray 1 and this is reflected ray 2. For the observer, these two rays appear to come from some point here. Observer ಗೆ ಈ 2 ರೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದನೋ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾವ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾವ ರೇಸ್. Because he knows only rectilinear propagation of light. Ray optics is totally concerned only with the study of rectilinear propagation of light. ಈ 2 ರೇಸು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವರ್ ಗೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾವ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? What is this point? Can you tell me what is this point? ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ವರ್ಚುವಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅದು? ಎದ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಇಮೇಜಾ, ಬಿದ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಇಮೇಜಾ? ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅದು? ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಪಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. A dash, B dash. Notice what kind of an image is obtained now? What kind of an image is obtained now? We obtained an inverted image, isn't it? We obtained an inverted image. So if a person is standing here, this way, he will be visible this way. He will be visible this way. So even if you stand perpendicular to the mirror, you can see the inverted image of yourself. In the inverted image image construction clear ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ನಾಗೆ ಅಂತ ಇದು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ರೇ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ, ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನಾಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ನೋನ್ ಟು ಯು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಎ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್ always forms virtual and direct image. Correct statement too. A plane mirror always forms virtual and direct image. Correct? Always forms virtual and direct. A plane mirror always forms virtual and direct image. Correct? It even forms inverted images. A plane mirror is even capable of forming inverted images. A plane mirror always forms virtual and direct image when object is parallel to the mirror. Mirror ige object parallel idre ashte erect bartade. Mirror ige object perpendicular idre inverted image bartade. Is that clear? So this is all regarding reflection of light at plane mirrors. Is reflection of light at plane mirrors clear? Is reflection of light at plane mirrors clear? Is the reflection of light at plane mirrors clear? So after all understanding this, we will try to note some important points as far as reflection of light is concerned. As far as reflection of light is concerned, remember, in reflection of light, incident ray and reflected ray, remain in same medium. Incident ray and reflected ray remain in same medium. Now, light from sun is passing through air and is incident on me. Correct? Light from sun is passing through air and is incident on me. After it is incident on me, it gets reflected and moves back into nanmal bidmele. It gets reflected and moves back into air or some other medium. There is a person. This is sun. Light from sun is incident on this person. Light is passing through air. Illi innobonidan. This is person B, this is person A. Person A becomes visible to person B when light from sun is incident on person A and gets reflected and enters into the eye of person B. Correct? This is incident ray. This is incident ray. This is reflected ray. Nodri, incident ray is in air. Reflected ray? How about reflected ray? How about reflected ray? Reflected ray yav medium nagade? Reflected ray yav medium nagade? Reflected ray is also in the same medium. Reflected ray is also in the same medium. So in case of reflection of light, both incident ray and reflected ray remains in the same medium. There will be no change in medium for incident and reflected rays. Incident ray air nagirodu, reflected ray water nagirodu iralla. That happens in refraction of light. Refraction of light nage medium change ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Reflection of light nage there will be no change in medium of light. Incident ray ಯಾವ medium nagiರ್ತದೋ, reflected ray ಕೂಡ same medium nage ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So remember this point. In case of reflection of light, incident ray and reflected ray remain in the same medium. Speed of light is calculated as C is equals to F into lambda. This is the formula for calculating speed of light. Remember this formula. Speed of light is calculated using the formula C is equals to F into lambda. C is speed of light in air or vacuum. Air ಅಥವಾ vacuum ಒಳಗೆ speed of light C ಇರ್ತದೆ. F is frequency of light and lambda is wavelength of light. C is speed of light in air or vacuum, F is frequency of light, lambda is wavelength of light. This is speed of light in air or vacuum. This is frequency of light. This is wavelength of light. If speed of light enadala, it changes only if medium changes. Nodri, C change agbeku, speed of light change agbeku antandre medium change agbeku. First thing, frequency never changes. Frequency of light change agbeku antandre medium change adre frequency of light change agala. Suppose light is traveling from air and then it enters into water. The light travels from air and then enters into water. In this case, there is a change in medium. Medium change adre change agadu speed of light. Speed of light change agtade. Illi speed of light x idre, illi speed of light y irtade. But frequency is not going to change. Frequency is the characteristic of the source. Frequency is the characteristic of the source emitting that light. A light na yaar emit martirtaralla, a source the characteristic frequency. Frequency change madbekandre a source ne change madbeku ನೀವು. If you have to change the frequency of light, you have to change the source of light. Medium change ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ frequency change ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Clear? Speed of light changes when medium changes. Frequency doesn't change even if medium changes. Frequency changes only if source is changed, because frequency is the characteristic of the source. Lambda enadala wavelength. Lambda is wavelength. Wavelength is totally dependent on speed of light. Wavelength is totally dependent on speed of light. Or we can generally say wavelength changes if medium changes. Wavelength changes if medium changes. So, iveredu speed of light and wavelength of light. These two are dependent on the medium. Frequency doesn't depend upon the medium, instead it depends upon the source. ಈಗ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ medium change ಆದ್ರೆ change ಆಗದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? If medium changes, if the medium through which light travels changes, what quantities change? What quantities change? CF lambda. What quantities change? Wavelength change next. C and wavelength. Very good. When there is a change in medium, there will be a change in speed of light as well as wavelength of light. Iveredu change ಆಗ್ತವೆ. When there is change in medium, when there is change in medium, there will be change in speed of light as well as wavelength of light. Okay. Frequency never changes. Remember this. Frequency can change only if source of light is changed. Throughout study of optics, we keep the source constant. Now, source na change madala. Source change madlilla antandre, if source is not changed, frequency changes alla. If source is not changed, frequency changes. Right? Correct? If source is not changed, frequency changes. Okay. See, in case of reflection of light, do we have a change in medium? In case of reflection of light, do we have a change in medium of light? Do we have a change in medium of light? Incident ray ಯಾವ medium ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೋ reflected ray ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ medium ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ in case of reflection of light, there is no change in medium. There is no change in medium of light. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what will be the speed of incident and reflected rays? What will be the speed of incident and reflected rays? They'll be same or they'll be different? Speed of incident and reflected rays. They will be same or they will be different. Notice there is no change in medium. Speed change agಬೇಕು, speed of light change ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ medium change ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. Incident ray air ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ reflected ray ಕೂಡ air ನಾಗೆ ಅದೇ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್? ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ of incident and reflected rays should be same or different? Same. Okay. Wavelength of incident ray and wavelength of reflected ray. Wavelength of incident ray and wavelength of reflected ray. Wavelength of incident ray and wavelength of reflected ray. Very good. So, in case of reflection of light, in case of reflection of light, speed of light, frequency of light and wavelength of light remains the same. Nan mele light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second velocity in the incident ಆದರೆ 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second velocity ಇಂದಾನೆ reflect ಆಗ್ತದೆ. If the frequency of light incident on me is 10 power 11 hertz, the frequency of light that gets reflected is also 10 power 11 hertz. If the wavelength of light incident on me is say 4800 angstrom, the wavelength of light that will be reflected is also 4800 angstrom. Am I clear with the idea of reflection of light? Is the idea of reflection of light clear? Okay. Istirli, in our next class we'll start spherical mirrors. Okay. ಇವತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷದಾಗ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತದೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರೈಟ್, ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಓದ್ರಿ. ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ನಾಗೆ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ and then plane mirror ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ರಿ, that is sufficient. We'll start spherical mirrors tomorrow. Yes, please, we'll continue. See you tomorrow.